So hello guys, welcome back another video. So in this video we're going to download our IDE in which we are going to write the code which is called Rider. After that we create our first project in Unity. So let's get into the video. To download the Rider we have to we have to just simply type Rider in the browser. Click over here. Click download. Because I am using Apple, so for that you have to select Mac OS. If you are using Windows, you will click Windows, right? So download. It will take some time. As you can see, our Rider is getting downloaded. So finally our Rider has downloaded. So double click on DMG. Just drag and drop over in an application. It's asking for replace. So because I already downloaded it, so just for you it will be like install. For me it's replace, so I don't want to replace it. So yeah, that's how basically you can download the Rider. Now we'll create a first Unity project. So for that we'll create a simple project in desktop. Let's call it Unity tutorial. Now we'll click on, so these are the thing. So we'll click on the Unity Hub. Now click on new project, because we are going to create 2D project. We'll create 2D game. So we'll select Universal 2D. Also we have to select the folder which we have created just now. Select this folder and just simply click on create project. Now Unity is going to create a Unity project inside the folder which we have created now. So as you can see, our project has been created. Understand the UI quickly first. Okay, so with this button you basically play the game. Whatever you just make to test, we simply click on this particular button, right? Because we are going to create game for Android, so we'll switch to the platform by simply click on Android and switch platform. So now our platform got switched. Now as you can see here, that over here it shows Android, right? To connect Rider with our Unity, so basically we have to go to Unity settings. In here, you simply need to click or click on this drop down, or by default it's already selected Rider. But if you don't see, you can simply browse and you can go to the Rider folder actually, right? But yeah, here you can basically select the Rider. If you are using Visual Studio, so you will see here Visual Studio as well. So wherever whatever IDEs you are going to use, those ID will show over here, right? Now let's understand how, this is simulator. So basically the game, how it will look like in device, basically. So these are the simulator which Unity provides. You can install more simulator by clicking here only. Now more simulators are basically imported. Yeah. So basically, let's understand the windows one by one. The scene window, which in which we are going to import our asset, whatever we are going to add it in the game, we need to do it in this particular scene window. Simulator, or game scene, what we can say. So in the in the game scene, basically how our game will look as a output actually, you know in the asset folder, we basically import all the assets like images, audio files, scripts. So everything which we require to make a game, we basically all the assets put in the asset folder. Packages, in this basically this package folder um, handles the packages which is provided by Unity itself. So all the packages we are going to import from the Unity itself will show over here only, right? In the inspector, this is the main camera you can consider like as an eyes. So basically, like the way we see the world via eyes, the same way game see with the main camera only, right? So inspector window has the property of the game object, right? Like in this scenario, main camera, all the property is going to have my main camera, which will show in the inspector only, right? So yeah, this was the quick introduction about the Unity UI interface. In the next video, we are going to basically learn some inbuilt functions, so that you will be comfortable to write the code. So yeah, we'll see in the next video.